Caribbean Cruise Line going to Bahamas and Coconut Cay.
So y'all, we're at the top right now. The cruise is moving just a little bit. So we're about to do the sail away part, and then we're going to show you guys a room tour real quick. And guys, we're looking for to have a great time. It's our first time on this cruise, so make sure you stay tuned. You know how we do. When we travel, we turn up. We like to have a great time.
Now,
peace. So guys, got people out right now. The party is about to start in a second, baby. You ready? Hey, hey. Y'all, the ship is moving right now. We are moving. So guys, we came on another deck. As you can see, there's a lot of people standing right here at the window as we sail away. It is packed up here. Man, that breeze feels good.
Oh, that's why I was trying to go over there to the helicopter pad.
Y'all got everybody sitting at the window. Man, that is loud. All right, guys, so we're heading to the party over here right now. They got some action going on.
We got the interior this time. First time staying in the interior. We normally always get the balcony because you know you want to see the outside and stuff. So now we're about to go into room 2423. All right, y'all. So I'm about to give y'all a quick room tour. So you have to close the door. You have your instructions right here, and then to the left of me, you have your closet. You have some shelving, your safe, a few life jackets, and then to the right across from the closet, you have your bathroom. A little tight.
It's a shower,
yeah.
Toilet, sink.
Right from the bathroom, you have your desk area, your vanity. You have your plugs right here. You also have a mini fridge, as you can see. Boom, it gets the job done. And on the other side, you have a sofa and an end table. Well, a table. And right behind us is the king side bed.
I know, big bed.
Big bed. But yeah, this is the interior room, y'all. Nothing fancy, nothing too exciting. It gets the job done because you're not going to be in the room that long. So y'all, we're going to see y'all upstairs. Alright, y'all, so right now we have the guest services. We just put cash on our card so that we can use it to buy stuff, buy drinks, just different stuff that you can use your card for. Alright, the Royal Promenade. Yep, so y'all, this is where you have your different shops, your different eateries, cafe espressos, probably coffee and espresso. Have some shops. You got your interior rooms right there that have the windows. Sugar Rush. Ben and Jerry's for the ice cream lovers. Coming up on a pizza joint. Oh, that pizza smells good. I think this is the free complimentary pizza as well. We have free wine tasting. Alright, y'all, so we about to get some food. The Windjammer where the buffet food is closed. It closed at 4.
We had fish and chips. They were cooking. Got that hot grease going. Alright guys, so we just got our food. It's looking good right now. How's it taste, baby? Good?
So this is the solarium area where you gotta be 16 plus to be over here. You have a few jacuzzis, sit and lounge areas, you have a bar also. So yeah, we're just walking through right now, trying to get comfortable and familiar with everything that's on the ship. All right, y'all, so I'm waiting on my Terry's to come from the bathroom. But y'all, it's so much to do on this boat that I don't know what to do on this boat. So big, so many decks that got activities going on each floor. They do have an app on the phone that you can download where they have the whole schedule for the day, the different activities they got going on at the time. So we may try to catch one or two things. We do got dinner at 8:15 at El Hibachi spot. It is his birthday, y'all, so I do got a nice surprise for him that he don't know about. So I think he's gonna like it. All right, y'all, so now we going to the next floor. I don't know what we doing. Like I say, it's so much to do that I don't know what to do. And right over here is the Playmaker Sports Bar and Arcade. And you also have the casino. Smell like some good hot wings.
I know, right?
Got pool, sports games.
This is the spot I'm gonna be in right here.
Got all the TVs.
All right, y'all, we got Bill over here trying her luck. Ooh, okay. She had a few drops.
Big bank take little bank.
So y'all, look at this. We are so close dropping this $5. Y'all. Y'all look.
Here we go.
Yeah, we got a $5.
Yep. This is where they do the ice skating show, and they also have, you know, free complimentary ice skating during different days and times.
That breeze.
That feels good.
That looks good.
Yes, y'all. Man. So y'all, we are definitely enjoying this first day. We're about to go to the room and change for dinner. Then I know later on tonight they have a silent hell phone party. Then they have an after party at 11. And then tomorrow we will be in the Bahamas at 7 in the morning, all the way until 5 p.m. They about to open up his gift. You gotta stuff it with paper to make it seem like it's a lot.
Oh, yep. I need another one. Okay, baby, thank you. Thank you.
Y'all ladies, get your man this. When I say that smells delicious, it smells delicious.
What is this?
What is that?
Oh, what?
Big Cuban.
This is what I've been talking about. All right, guys, so I got the Cuban on now. I like it, baby. Thank you so much.
Oh, you're welcome, honey.
I appreciate you. All right, y'all, let's see how much you're going to score. Come on. Horrible.
Yeah, I only got 8 points.
All right, guys, so we just sat down. We had to have hibachi.
Hey, we made it. Everybody was waiting on us, but
I know, right?
they haven't started cooking yet, so that's good. Alright, y'all, so we just finished eating dinner. Dinner was delicious. About to hang out tonight. Hey. Oh yeah, y'all. This is the only pizza place that's open late night, as y'all can see. Babe about to finish up his pizza, and we're about to head to the room. So I'll see y'all in the morning. Good morning.
Good morning, y'all.
Yes, y'all. We are about to get off the cruise for the first time. We are in Nassau, Bahamas.
Alright guys, we just got seated. The chairs was $10. So this is where we're gonna chill at for the time being. Got a lot of people out here right now. We about to get in the water because the water is looking good. They back there playing volleyball right now. Sure, we should get a game in.
Alright y'all, so we are at the public beach right now. I don't know the name of it, but I will leave it in the description. It's like a 15-minute walk from the cruise port. Y'all see him? You get out the cruise port and you take a right. You go past all the markets. You go past SeniorFrogs. You go past Margaritaville, and then you will see it. As you can see, all the people, they over there having a good time.
Make sure you like and subscribe to the channel, man.
SeniorFrogs.
Man, it's crazy packed over here.
Right, we got here kind of late because it's 5 ships that's ported, so it's a lot of people on the island right now.
You better jump in. You better jump in the line. Go, baby. Yeah. Yeah. Y'all, we're just leaving SeniorFrogs. We had a blast. It was a great time. Hey, playing that Meek Mill. Ready? Hey, times like this, like this.
We are walking back. It's almost that time. It's 2:52. We got to be back on the boat by 4:30. So we're probably about to go to a little bar. All right, y'all. So we are at Sharky's, I believe. Yep, they got the frozen drinks. And this is the rum barrel.
Cheers. Oh, they got a lot of alcohol in here.
Oh, those were good.
Cheers to y'all, man.
So look at this small cruise carnival. We doing a big Royal Caribbean. Yeah, so this is what the port gonna look like when it's finished.
That's nice.
Yeah, that's real futuristic, real luxury.
Oh, man.
Y'all, look at that.
Ooh, that cheese dripping.
Big coma after this. We are headed back out, y'all. Headed back to the ocean, the Caribbean islands.
Alright, y'all, so babe about to get on the water slide. Yeah. Alright, y'all, she going up.
Oh yeah. He got a couple boats out there. Like 2 other ships.
Baby been playing for about 20 minutes. And a $20 got stuck.
I'm not getting out this shit. I get it.
She got a $20 drop.
It dropped. It only took $5. I think I'm done for the night. Yeah, so we just finished playing at the casino. Won some, lost some, and I think now we're about to go to the nighttime club, see what that's about, and then probably gonna call it a night in a little while because there's not too much going on tonight. Same old nighttime club. We're gonna go get some pizza, and then we're gonna get ready for the big day tomorrow. So y'all make sure y'all stay tuned for part 2 coming up soon.
Park that Big Mac truck right in this little garage. I don't cook, clean, but let me tell you, I got this ring. In the mall, it's going down. Meet me in the trail, it's going down.
Alright guys, we're about to call it a night. We had a great time. I can't say nothing bad about it. We've been having so much fun. Tomorrow we're going to Coco Cay, so that's gonna be part 2. Alright, so make sure you stay tuned for that. But guys, we appreciate you so much for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe to our channel.